Hi everyone. I had to comment on this. The topic is martial law declared in the Northeast. As you all know, that there is a big blizzard going on, okay? And if it's not enough that we have been through blizzards already, that they're declaring martial law, come on now. I mean, who's in a hurry? you know, this is really going crazy. I mean, the elites, the ones in the government, they're nuts. That's all I've got to say, guys. But I'm only going to leave the link in the info bar. I mean, the authorities in multiple northeastern U.S. states have implemented martial law due to the weather. How ridiculous. Facing up to 1 year in jail and $1,000 fine for merely driving their own cars on public streets and highways. Can you believe it? And the taxpayers supposedly pay for roads to be paved. Okay. And citizens in various areas within the New England region have been hit with executive orders threatening residences with criminal penalties if they leave their homes and attempt to drive during the current snowstorm. Okay, using the color of law to impose demands on the public that can only be seen as a massive overreach of power. Individuals in Connecticut, Rhode Island, and Massachusetts thus far have been issued bans on driving in those areas. Rhode Island Governor Lincoln Chafee, for example, had ordered vehicles off of routes I-95, I-195, and routes 146 and 24 and 295, beginning at 5 p.m. according to the Rhode Island Emergency Management Agency. Now, the only exceptions, according to the Rhode Island WPRI, are the news media, public safety vehicles, and public work vehicles and workers that include contract personnel, government officials on official business, utility company vehicles and workers, healthcare workers who travel to and from work in order to provide essential health care, travel necessary to maintain and deliver critical private sector services such as energy, fuel supplies, financial systems, and critical commodities, and travel to support business operations that provide critical services to the public, including gas stations, food stores, and hardware stores. Okay, but what about the rest of us? Okay, why do we need to go to those places? So, I mean, if you want to go out in a snowstorm, I mean, that's your freedom, right? I mean, what if an emergency and you had to leave home or something? I mean, this is crazy. Well, anyway, Massachusetts Governor Patrick also signed an executive order banning all non-essential motor vehicle travel statewide beyond 4 p.m., believing that to be the first travel ban ever since the blizzard of 1978, according to the Associated Press. Like I said, there have been blizzards in the past. Why now? Why martial law now? The whole government system is all corrupt, guys. I mean, they've gone really over the top. And people better start getting vocal, or it's going to get worse, guys. That's all I have to say. Connecticut Governor Mallory imposed a travel ban of his own on Friday on the state's limited access highways, deployed National Guard troops around the state for rescues or other emergencies. Thus far, authorities in areas and regions such as New York have not stated if they will follow suit. It also is unclear as to how the executive orders stand or is even legal to impose such demands on public rights to travel freely, regardless of the conditions. Many residents in the area have openly expressed being surprised by the overreaction, seeing that the executive orders has completely unnecessarily, and considering New England and surrounding areas are used to seeing snowstorms of similar magnitudes almost every season. See, that's the point I'm making. It's ridiculous. It's all uncalled for. I mean, these are stepped over their bounds. They've taken their authority and just stepped over it too far. But this is just a vent. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous what's going on. Does it have to do with the gun ban? Because let me tell you something. Abortion has killed more babies in this country than guns have. Think about that. Oh well. That's all for now, guys. Jesus loves you guys, and if you don't know Him, give your life to Him today. We're not guaranteed another tomorrow. And with crazy stuff going on like this, you're going to need Him, guys. Well, take care until next time. Bye.